Hi, I am Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. So in this video, we are going to discuss about time series analysis in R programming languages. So in last video, we have discussed many programming, and that is how to load the data set, different graphs, yes, exploratory data analysis, and how to create a data frame in R programming, and multivariate analysis. So here we are going to discuss about time series analysis. What is meant by time series analysis is nothing but, so based on the time deviation or identification, the data may be changes. So like for example, weather prediction is a good example for time series analysis. So here what the kind of data I have considered is corona patient or corona period pace and strength are considered here. So I am just loading the data into the variable called x. So the data value contains more than 15 values, more than 10 to 15 values the variable x contains. So for the identification of time series, we need to load the particular packages. What is mean by packages is some of the functions is not loaded not load internally. So for that we have to load externally, and we need to incorporate. For that we have to use the function called install dot packages of the packages name. After installing the packages, we need to load the particular packages into the function of library. So we need to load the functions into the library. That for that we have used the function of library bracket the function name. For that the function the package name will be the lubricate. So the analysis will be stored into the variable of time series analysis. So here what it going to do is, so the we all know that the time series will be in a chart representation, that will be the image format. So for that I am just creating one image file which is the name of time series.png. So here I am just loading the data. So for the time series analysis, the function will be the ts. Inside of the ts, the data set, that is x is a data set. The date of the particular corona patient date will be giving us YMT, that is year, month and date wise. The framework will be the some percentage of the data I am just giving. So here after entering the data from starting date and ending date, what is the frequency of the particular given date. So I am just giving 15 date, the 15 days, that is 15 count of the particular patients 5807813. So in that cases it will be the frequency of the data will be calculated based on the time series analysis. So here what I this chart represent is the chart represent the particular weekly data based on the how many number of positive cases it detects. So here the plot takes the data from the TS function, and what the x axis represent and the y axis represent. X axis will be the weekly data, and y axis will be the total positive cases found in the particular data. Next one will be the what is the main name of the particular database. So for that I am just giving the name as a main name will be the COVID pandemic, and the x axis represent the weekly data, and y axis represent the how many number of total positive cases present in obtained in that particular period of time. What the color of the chart will be, the color col dot main equal to dark green. So the line will be of dark green. Okay. So okay, in this video what we have observed is, that is the summarization part. So what it is mean by, so what is mean by time series analysis? We all know that time series analysis is nothing but based on the time duration, the sum of the functions may be changes. So this is a good example is weather prediction, climate change. So based on that we we can give many number of, that is the bank analysis and credit card analysis. So there are many functions using the time series function. So here what here what are the basic packages need and what is the main function used for identifying the time series analysis are discussed. Okay, thank you.